Let's head on over to Dollar Tree on this chilly morning because today I am giving you my top 40 items to find in 2024. Let's get to it. So before we start the year, we have to end the year, and we are starting with their end of year celebration items. You can find these at Dollar Tree today. If you go there, they have tons of fun items that you can create a beautiful, a festive celebration to begin the new year. I love these inflatable numbers, great to place on a wall and make it very festive. Then we get to start the year because we have to get organized, and Dollar Tree has got you covered. They have planners, they also have regular calendars, they also have pocket size ones in every size and shape and design you can think of. Let's head on over to the crafting aisle. I love their vinyl section. So many colors, so many styles, including these permanent ones that you can find in multicolors. And they also have glittery ones that are gorgeous. I've worked with these quite a bit. They're perfect for crafting. They also have faux leather. I know you've seen me use them before. 3 shades. And they even have this 6-inch size if you do have a cutting machine and it happens to be a Joy size. They also have these adhesive backing papers. What? I have never seen these before. They have them in multiple colors. Great to make stickers or crafting. They also have their cutting machine tools like these cutting mat, the weeding tools, and also some scrapers. These are also great for regular crafting needs, so don't just think of cutting machines, you can use them every day. I'm gonna head on over to the sticker aisle, and let me tell you, this is a dream. They have different styles like regular stickers that have a 3D texture look to them. They also have beautiful jewels that are peel and stick, perfect for gift giving. These wood cutouts are also found in their sticker section. They have great phrases and words. Love using these, and even metallic ones with golden accents. Gorgeous. The rub-on ones are perfect for crafts you can find in the alphabet, as well as different designs depending on what you need. Easy, you just peel the top off and rub it on. They also have different ones for summer and seasons and holidays, and you can also find these flexible stencils that you can use for crafting every day. Now, maybe your goal is to get organized during the new season, so let me take you to this section here. These hooks are amazing. These are $1.25 and they are heavy duty. They come in this beautiful bronze-like, and they bring these screws already with them. They have a blue one as well as a white one, and I thought it was gorgeous. I grabbed a few, and I also found these that come 2 in a pack. Perfect. Look at these collapsible baskets. These are great to keep in your car if you need to be nice and organized, and it's easy as 1, 2, 3, and 4 steps to get it open. They have it in the blue, the white, as well as the gray with black. Now, maybe you just need to carry some cupcakes and some cakes. They have these carrying storage bins for cupcakes as well as cakes, and they have the top portions for them. I really love these. They have a little handle, and you can keep them fresh or even use them for gift giving. I don't make deviled eggs, although I would love to learn how to, but these trays are a great find, great for parties. Grab one. All right, so tons of storage baskets and bins that you can think of. They have in different sizes, different colors. Some of them have lids. You name it, you need it, they have it. Now, these are great for closet storage for underneath your bathroom cabinet, whatever you may need them for. And don't forget that these are all $1.25, and you can find decent size as well as these little tiny ones that are great for drawers. I use these in my personal drawers, and I love the organization they give me. The collapsible storage boxes, I know you're familiar with them. They come in different colors, and they've done such a good job with designing these. They have these smaller ones. They come in black and beige and even buffalo check, which is really cute. The regular sized ones also come in different colors, and these designs are stunning. I love this one, black and white, as well as this beautiful blue and white one. Now, keep in mind that they say that they are now in a heavier weight capacity, so it's worth a try. Now, in the Dollar Tree Plus section, if you have one, they also have storage bins that are heavier duty as well as larger sizes. So don't miss out on these. I use these stackable ones in my studio and I love them. Look at these baskets. They are gorgeous. They can be laundry baskets as well as just storage, and they are $5. They also have these storage cubes. These are a little bit larger and heavier duty, and they are $3. So check them out next time you're there. Great find. Now let's talk about desk organization. They have tons of beautiful finds that you can get organized in your office or your studio. These golden racks are gorgeous. These are a great find for 2024. They come in different sizes and styles, so check them out. And look at these rose gold collection. Oh my word, this is a tape dispenser. They also have these little caddies that you can place for little knickknacks, as well as envelope holders. And these pencil holders are gorgeous. So if you want to get organized this new year, check these out. Now soon the snow will be melting into beautiful sunny days, and Dollar Tree has already been putting out some of their planters. These are in their Dollar Tree Plus aisle, and I love the selection already. And look at these mats. Holy smokes. Gorgeous design, love the colors, perfect for your front door or your back patio. The new year is a great time to get those old towels out and some newer ones in, and Dollar Tree has a selection of them. Washcloths and regular towels, perfect for your home. The new year is a perfect time to get some deep cleaning done. I know I do. Every single New Year's, I love to deep clean those areas that, you just don't want to do the rest of the year. But I do love some of their finds, so let me tell you some of my favorites. I love these little tiny bottles of dish washing liquid. They have different brands and they are perfect for traveling. I also love their awesome brand. I use these all the time in my home and I love how good they work. This is truly a great find any time of the year. Now let's move over to these. I carry these in my purse all the time just to have them handy if I need to disinfect anything. And keeping in the theme of like travel, I do love these laundry detergents. They are brand name and they are perfect for traveling or just a small apartment. I love that they have their scented beads, dryer sheets, as well as fabric softener. So grab these if you are planning on traveling or if you just want to have some in this size. I use these all the time. There is absolutely no reason why you cannot go to Dollar Tree for gift giving. They have a huge selection of gift bags and they come in different sizes. They have larger ones for Mother's Day, weddings, birthdays. They have medium-sized ones and these large ones that you can use to give extra large gifts. These are perfect. They also have smaller ones for the smaller gifts. And don't forget, if you're making gift baskets, they have the fillers in every color you can think of, and they also have the shrink wrap that you can wrap them. The wrapping papers are great. I love for crafting as well, and the selection of ribbon and bows are amazing. Let me show you the tissue paper. They have regular white, pastel colors, every color you can think of, perfect for gift giving. And beautiful shapes and designs in gift baskets that are perfect for anyone. Their party aisle are great. I love going here, especially if you have a baby shower. They have a great selection for party favors as well as just plates and napkins, also for birthday parties and anywhere in between. Did you know that they have an entire section of gift cards for different services, different stores? Great find, check them out. And now let's visit the school supply aisle. Kids will go back to school after winter break, and if they need any new supplies, Dollar Tree has you covered, from scissors, rulers, pencils, tape, calculators, you name it. I go here all the time, and not just for them, but for my crafting. Permanent markers, love them. All kinds of sticky notes, you name it. Great find. Crayons and markers, some are name brand, and I just love the selection that they have. So next time you are in need of any office supplies or school supplies, make sure you check them out. And if you are ready to get inspired for the new year, I have a video here for you with tons of Dollar Tree DIY crafts for you. Check it out. I'll see you later and have a blessed day. Bye.